No camera crew? No problem. Just two forklifts, a massive crane truck cylinder, and some serious teamwork. I forgot to hit record, but our security cameras were rolling. Here's how we pulled off a tricky crane truck repair without dropping the load or our cool. This crane truck came in with a leaking boom cylinder, so what we did was we used a forklift and a choke strap to support the cylinder. Then we knocked the two pins out of the end so that the cylinder was free, and we took it into our shop to rebuild it. We didn't have a spanner wrench quite big enough to reach across the gland nut, so we tacked a bolt to the end of the gland nut and used a pipe wrench on that bolt to break it loose without damaging the cylinder. Once we got that bolt tacked to the gland nut, we knocked out the top pin to lower the cylinder down, bust the gland nut loose, and drain the hydraulic fluid from the cylinder. After resealing the piston in our shop, we used forklifts in tandem to set the rod back into the cylinder. My dad was operating one forklift and directing me on the other simultaneously to get the rod at the perfect angle to slide back into the cylinder without damaging the new seals. Once everything was back in place, we tightened the gland nut and ground off the tack welds to remove the bolt. Then we cleaned up the area and repainted the surface to prevent rust.